Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Troybilt Tiller Tines is probably one of the most important components of your tiller, significantly impacting its performance and longevity. Choosing the right tines ensures efficient soil preparation, prevents damage to your machine, and ultimately contributes to a successful harvest. This video will guide you through the key factors to consider when selecting Troybilt Tiller Tines, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and soil conditions. Number 5. RAParts 108802 Tiller Tine Set. This tine set is a perfect replacement for your worn-out tiller tines. It's designed to fit various Troybilt and Ariens tiller models, ensuring a smooth and efficient tilling experience. You get everything you need for a quick and easy installation. The set includes 8 left and 8 right tines, along with all the necessary screws, nuts, and lock washers. It's manufactured to exacting specifications, ensuring a precise fit for your tiller. This guarantees optimal performance and longevity. Built to withstand the rigors of tough tilling jobs, it's made from high-quality, durable materials for a long service life. You can count on it to perform season after season. This versatile set is compatible with a wide range of tiller models, including Troybilt 15008 and various Ariens models. Check the part numbers to ensure compatibility with your machine. With a 7/16 hole size and specific center-to-center measurements, it's designed for a precise fit. It replaces several common part numbers, making it easy to find the right replacement for your tiller. What we like. This set contains all the necessary tines and hardware for a complete replacement. It's compatible with various tiller models, saving you the hassle of searching for individual parts. If you need a straightforward, comprehensive solution for your tiller repair, this is the one for you. What people say. Made in India, comes with more than enough hardware to install. Sizing seems a bit variable, but work great. Installed on Troy-Bilt Super Bronco 2. They are well hardened, properly forged, and have the holes in the right spots. I was a bit skeptical of the possible weakness from the third hole, and used in my install. I have turned a rather rocky bit of land into plantable garden. Repeatedly hit rocks the size of a softball, and had to reverse to get them out of the tiller, but none of these tines failed. I was very surprised to find none broken. I have had trouble with real MTD OEM tines snapping off with much less abuse. Used the tiller this summer in garden and the tines held up good, no noticeable wear other than the paint rubbing off. I did have to tweak the holes slightly in order for the bolts to go through, but simple fix with a drill press. Number 4. Troybilt Horse and Pony Tiller Tines. Enhance your Troybilt Horse and Pony Tiller with this essential replacement tine set. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity, ensuring your garden stays in top shape. These tines are built to last, providing reliable tilling for years to come. They're made from high-quality materials to withstand the toughest gardening conditions. This set includes 8 tines for each side of your tiller, providing complete coverage for efficient and even tilling. You'll get a perfectly prepared garden bed every time. Replacing your old tines is simple and straightforward. These tines are designed for easy installation, minimizing downtime and maximizing your gardening time. They are specifically designed for Troybilt horse and pony tillers, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Keep your tiller running smoothly with this essential replacement part. Get your new tines today. Order them conveniently on Amazon for quick and easy delivery. Start tilling your garden with ease. What we like. Specifically designed for horse and pony tillers, it ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. The convenience of buying it on Amazon makes it easy to get. If you own a horse and pony tiller and value ease of purchase, this is a great option. What people say. Each tine, 8, that fit up against the support tube had to be ground down where the tine fit against the tube, so the bolts would go in the holes. Other than that, these are excellent replacement tines. These do have 3 mounting holes, and when I installed them they did fit great, with 1 hole per tine not being used. Easy installation. Installed these on my dad's Troy-Bilt horse tiller. At least 40 years old. They are good quality. The only drawback was we had to grind some material from the inside of the tine to fit tight enough to the shaft to install the bolts. Number 3. Ariens Troybilt Tiller Tine Kit. This kit gives your tiller a complete overhaul. It's got everything you need for a perfect repair. It works with a variety of tillers. Check the part numbers to see if it's compatible with yours. This kit is compatible with Ariens part numbers 129359, 129259, and more. Make sure to verify your model's compatibility. It also fits many Troy-Bilt models. The compatible part numbers are listed for your convenience. This kit is also compatible with MTD, roper, rotohoe, and horse and pony tillers. Check the full list of compatible part numbers. You get 8 left tines and 8 right tines, plus all the necessary hardware for installation. Everything is included for a smooth repair. What we like. It's a complete rebuild kit, perfect for a thorough tiller restoration. Its compatibility extends to several brands and models, offering a versatile solution. If you're looking for a comprehensive rebuild kit for various tiller brands, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Fit my rotohoe tiller. Once installed they till great. They are solid and well made. A really good quality replacement set. Number 2. Maxpower 12703 Tiller Tines. These tiller tines are a perfect replacement for your worn-out ones. They're designed for a quick and easy installation, ensuring you get back to gardening quickly. It is built from high-quality materials for long-lasting durability and reliable performance. You can trust it to handle tough jobs season after season. With 2 mounting holes, it's a simple and straightforward process. Installation is quick, so you can get back to tilling your garden in no time. They are specifically designed to fit Troy-Bilt Bronco, Proline, and Tuffy models from 2005 and up. It's the perfect replacement for your old tiller tines. This set replaces Troybilt part numbers 742-04116-0637 and 742-04117-0637. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and function. Don't let worn-out tines slow you down. Order yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This aftermarket set is specifically designed for newer Troy-Bilt models, ensuring a precise fit. The simple 2-hole mounting system makes installation quick and easy. If you own a newer Troy-Bilt tiller and prefer a simple, easy-to-install solution, consider this one. What people say. All the fasteners comes with the kit. To keep from getting mixed up. Take 4 tines off and install new ones before you move on to the next set of 4 tines. After comparing these to the OEM Tine set, we decided to go with these to save some cash as they were already reviewed well and were made from quality materials right here in the USA. We were not disappointed. They arrived with good instructions and all the hardware necessary to make changing them out a snap. After about 2 hours of work, mostly to get the old rusty hardware off the tiller, we were up and running and the tiller was performing like new. These 2-hole tines fit my Troy-Bilt Super Bronco perfectly, have consistent shape, and appear very strong. They have a slightly different bend from the originals. That may be from all the rocks the old ones have hit, but the old bends are consistent also and the difference appears intentional. These come slightly closer to the gearbox, leaving less untilled soil in the middle than the OEM tines. I sharpened them before installation and they slice right through roots that would have stalled the tiller before. So far I've tilled about 1000 SF of sodded over garden that was full of young brush and berry bushes. It took less than half the time it would have with the old dull broken tines. Number 1. Stens 370-350 Tiller Tines. These tiller tines are designed for your Troy-Bilt horse and pony tiller, ensuring perfect fit and restoring peak performance. They're made in the USA and come with all the necessary hardware. You'll receive a complete set, including 8 right-hand and 8 left-hand tines. Everything you need for a thorough tilling job is included in one convenient package. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hardware. Get back to gardening quickly and easily with this simple-to-install replacement set. These durable tines are built to withstand tough conditions, providing long-lasting performance for years to come. They're a reliable replacement for your worn-out tines. They're manufactured in the United States, guaranteeing quality and durability you can trust. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a superior American-made product. Bring new life to your Troy-Bilt horse and pony tiller with this high-quality tine set. It's the perfect solution for restoring your tiller's performance. What we like. This American-made set provides high quality and durability. It's a complete set designed specifically for horse and pony tillers. If you value American-made products and need a complete replacement set for your horse and pony tiller, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fit perfectly. Appears to be good quality. Been using the tiller with them on and they are working great. They were easy to install. All tines and hardware installed with no adjustments such as filing or grinding. I installed them on a 40-year-old 8 HP horse model with cast iron hubs to hold the tines. Just as ordered, fits great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.